In this lesson, you will create a section view that you will use to work with vertical piping. You will also place a hose reel cabinet in the building and connect it to the supply standpipe. Click the menu browser and select Open. And from the Training Files Imperial Fire Protection System, open the file RME FP Design 04. Let's create a section view. Zoom in to the offices in the lower right corner. And from the View tab, on the Create panel, click Section. On the options bar, for Scale, select 1/4 inch equals a foot and draw the section as shown. Then press Escape and double-click on the section head to open the section view. Then in the section view, right-click and select View Properties, and in the Instance Properties dialog, under Graphics, for Subdiscipline, select FP Design, and for View Classification, select Design, and under Identity Data, for View Name, type FP Section Stair. Then for Default View Template, select MEP Section and click OK. Then in the Project Browser, under FP Design, expand Sections and right-click FP Section Stair and click Apply Default View Template. Then zoom to the top near the horizontal pipe, and if necessary, drag the top section boundary line up and select the elbow fitting, and then click the top plus grip to upgrade the elbow fitting to a T. Then select the T fitting and then right-click the top connector and click Draw Pipe. Then press the space bar and from the Element panel, click the Change Element Type drop-down and select Fire Protection Wet and move your cursor up and type 7 feet. Then click Modify and open the view Fire Protection Plan Design for Level 2. Next, we'll add mechanical equipment. Click the Home tab and from the Mechanical panel, click Mechanical Equipment. Note the current type and place the cabinet on the wall as shown. Then click Modify. Then in the section view, zoom to the hose reel cabinet. If necessary, on the View tab, click Thin Lines. Then select the cabinet and right-click the connector on the left and click Draw Pipe. From the Element panel, click the Change Element Type drop-down and select Fire Protection Wet. And on the options bar, for diameter, select 2 inches and connect to the vertical pipe and click Modify. Then close the section view, and next we'll add a valve. Click the Home tab and from the Plumbing and Piping panel, click Pipe Accessory. In the Revit dialog, click Yes to load a family, and from the Training Files Imperial Fire Protection Systems folder, double-click Gate Valve 2 to 12 inch, and then select the midpoint of the pipe that extends from the cabinet as shown, and click Modify. And then open the 3D Fire Protection view and zoom into the cabinet to see the valve in 3D. If necessary, use the View Cube to orient the view. Then close the file without saving it, as the next lesson will provide its own training file, and that concludes this lesson.